at answer, I have two daily tasks. The first one is your daily combos where you solve puzzles to earn 5 million Amstar points. Then the second one they just launched is the daily cipher where you claim 1 million points using Morse code. So we've solved the daily puzzle. We've already claimed the 5 million point. Now this time for the cipher using Morse code. Now to start with, you click on the end pattern at the top left of your hamster bot 3 times. 1, 2, 3 to change the background. The background has changed to red now. So the daily code, the code for today is Ethereum. Ethereum is the code for today. So we are going to spell Ethereum using Morse code. So the first letter of Ethereum is E. The Morse code for E is short tap. T is long tap. 1. H is 4 short tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E is 1 short tap again. Then R is 1 short tap, 1 long tap, 1 short tap. E, 1 short tap. U, 2 short tap, 1 long tap. M, 2 long tap. Congratulations, you have solved the code. Now take the prize. That is it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. See you again tomorrow for the other code. Follow all my pages for daily updates. Thank you very much.